G'day guys, Greg here. Now I've got some leftover ingredients in the fridge from several different meals and well I thought I'd combine them together and make one delicious lunch. A chili cheese shepherd's pie, that's what's on today's menu. So let's start making it. So I've got some leftover chili here. Some leftover mashed potatoes. I dug around in the freezer and I found some corn kernels, and of course you'll need some cheese on top to melt. But for starters we need to heat up the oven. I'm going to turn it up to like 220 centigrades. Get it nice and hot. That's about 428 Fahrenheit. Now you'll also need something to put in the oven like this baking dish. This is the smallest one I could find because I really don't have that many ingredients. But I'll just spray the interior with some of this cooking spray, just so it doesn't stick. Unless you want it to stick, then don't spray it. Now, what I'll do is whack in the chili first. This is a homemade chili. There's plenty of recipes on this channel for chilies. This one was an absolute beauty. And now grab your mashed potato. Now you might need to like break it up because if it's been in the fridge, it'll be all, well, hard and it won't be easy to spread over the top. So I'll just manipulate it a little. Well, actually, that's right. I was going to put the corn first. I just had some frozen corn. I thought, oh, that might be nice. So I'll just put a bit of that in there too. Right, now, potato time. And the potato now should just break apart and fall over the top easy enough. Yeah, nice. Okay, now it's cheese time. So we'll sprinkle the cheese over the top. I like to put more rather than less because my cholesterol is dangerously low. Well, that's what I reckon. My doctor says otherwise, but you know, there's nothing wrong with a bit of cheese. Okay, well, this is ready for the oven. Let's stick it in. And we just need to cook this until the cheese is nice and bubbly and melted and maybe even brown on top. Could take 10 minutes. Could take 15. Mate, it could even take 20. I'll let you know how long it takes when I pull it out. Alright, look, it's been 25 minutes and, well, the cheese is melted, but it's not as brown as I'd like it to be, but I can't wait any longer. I'm fanging right here. So let's whip it out. Oh yeah. Now there's a good reason why the cheese hasn't melted. It's because if you put it on too thick, then it doesn't melt as easy. That's why you got to put it on thinner. Yeah. So let's get some out. Finish it off with some sour cream that I had in the fridge. Now I might even add some Tabasco on there because, well, I got some of that in the fridge and, well, when there's Tabasco in the fridge, we use it. All right, let's go. I need some chili. Okay, come at me. Oh yeah. Just what the doctor told you not to order. Yummy. Well, there you go. Simple, easy leftovers for lunch meal. I hope this video helps inspire you to get in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I whip something up. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen with